today's video, I'm going to talk about what you own and what you're responsible for as a leader. The absolutely best definition of boundaries that I've ever heard of before is Dr. Henry Cloud. I saw him one day post this on social media. He said, hey, listen, a boundary is an invisible line around a person that defines about four things. Two of the things that it defines as a leader or a person, two of the things that it defines is what you own and what you don't own. The other thing it defines, which is real close, is what you're responsible for and what you're not responsible for. So it gives you clarity to think about, okay, as a leader, what am I responsible for? So here are a few things that you're responsible for as a leader. You're responsible for the vision. You're responsible for the goals. You're responsible for the purpose of the business. You're responsible for what you create. You're responsible for what behaviors will be allowed and what behaviors won't be allowed. You decide. You are in charge. So be very, very careful not to give up control of something that you own. Don't give up control of these things. It's your yard. Don't give up control of your property. Hey, listen, I hope this helped you, and God bless.